Welcome. Thank you for being here. My name is Alex. Please subscribe. I post daily yoga videos. This will be a short flow for beginners for a full body stretch. All levels are welcome. No props needed. Let's begin. In child's pose, big toes together, the knees are apart. Walk your hands forward, away from you. On an exhale, soften your forehead down to the mat. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Shift your focus to the quality of your breath. Arrive. Do your best to breathe in and out through the nose and to keep yourself mentally present. Stay on the mat and press up to a tabletop position. Hands under the shoulders, knees are hip width, and let's do 3 cat-cow. Inhale, arch the back and look forward. Exhale, round. Press the tops of the feet down. Round the spine. 2 more, moving with intention. Inhale, open the front of your body. And exhale, pull in the stomach, press the mat away. Once more, open up. And round. Neutral spine. Tuck the toes, lift the knees off of the mat, press back to downward facing dog. Hands are shoulder width, feet are hip width. Feels good to pedal it out, meaning bend one knee at a time as you press the opposite heel down. Soft bend in the knees, walk to the top of the mat and relax over both legs. Bending the knees will give you access to the entire back body. Press up to standing. And find good posture, palms together, reconnect to the present moment. And on an inhale, reach your arms overhead, bend the knees, sit back. Utkatasana. Forward fold. Hands to the mat, step your right foot back to a lunge. Tall on the toes of the back foot, knee over ankle with the front foot. Back leg is strong, shoulders away from the ears. Press off the back foot, forward fold at the top of the mat. Keep the knees soft. Round up to standing. Inhale, bring the arms overhead this time. Lift up, look up at your hands. Exhale, forward fold. Left foot steps back. Set up your lunge. Fingertips or blocks if you need to. Feel a stretch in the back foot. Feel a little bit of strength in the front leg. The back leg is strong. The breath is calm. Step to the top of the mat, forward fold over both legs. Round up to standing. Utkatasana. Bend the knees, sit back. Hands are about shoulder width, arms are too. Make sure you can wiggle the toes, pull in the core, and reach the fingertips away from the tailbone. Forward fold, exhale. Round up to standing. Turn to face the long edge of your mat. Step your feet wide, hands to hips, and forward fold. Bring your hands to the mat or to blocks. Let's keep both feet flat, bend the left knee, and feel the right inner thighs and the outside of the right ankle. Keep your back long, and we'll switch sides. Walk through center, bend the right knee, and feel the left leg opening, a little bit of stretch in the ankle and foot as well. Come back up to center, hands to hips for balance to stand up. Heels in, toes out. Bend the knees, one hand on top of each leg to assist opening up the thighs. Feet are flat. And let's lower the right shoulder forward, press the right knee away, twist. Switch sides, left shoulder forward and down. And lift up, hands to hips for balance. Warrior 2, right side. So the left foot's going to be parallel to the short edge of the mat. Rotate the right foot and leg to the top of the mat. Bend the right knee. We want the knee over the ankle. Hands to hips is going to help you to keep the shoulders over the hips. Arms side to side. Virabhadrasana 2. Remember to stay present. Stay in each sensation. Let's straighten the right leg, hands to hips for balance. Turn the right toes in, left toes out. Bend the left knee. Arms side to side, shoulders down. Look over your left arm. Straighten your left leg, hands to hips. Step to the top of your mat. Stand up tall, Utkatasana, bend the knees, sit back. Wiggle the toes, shoulders away from the ears. Reach the fingertips away from the tailbone. Forward fold. Hands to the mat, step the right foot back to a lunge. Leave the back toes tucked and lower the right knee. Draw the shoulders back. Lift the back knee, press back. Try to straighten both legs. Feel a stretch in the back, Achilles and calf. Come back to a lunge, leaving the back knee lifted. You can lower it if this is too much. Right hand down, left arm opens up. Lunge twist. Look at the top thumbnail, reach. Left hand down. Step to the top of the mat, relax over both legs. Round up to standing. Arms overhead. Lift up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Utkatasana, chair pose, awkward pose. Bend the knees, sit back, reach the arms forward, up. Wiggle the toes. You can look down, not down, but keep the neck comfortable. Reach. Someday you'll look between the hands. Forward fold. Left foot steps back. We're in a lunge. Even if you know where we're going, stay present. Set every pose up. Lower the left knee. Shoulders draw back. Leave the back toes tucked. Long exhale. Try to straighten both legs. Fingertips are blocks. Remember to press through the back heel. Lunge. Leave the back knee up. Lunge twist. Left hand down. Right arm opens up. Right hand down. Top of the mat. Long forward fold. Exhale. Round up to standing. Stand up tall. Bring your palms to touch. Gratitude for your practice. I am so grateful for your presence. If you enjoyed this, do let me know with a comment. I will respond, a like, a subscribe. And until my next video, namaste.